So the fun new tool on growing home acres of Dave's is a Alaskan Sawmill, we call it, right? Is an Alaskan Sawmill. He got it for his birthday, and now he's just been able to get it set up. Let's not even mention the new chainsaw he bought to go with it and came home with today. But yeah, so he's got his Alaskan Sawmill. He is very excited to use his new fun man tool. And here you're gonna watch him use it. If I'm correct, he's cutting the hardest piece of wood that we have on the property that we know of, which would be ash. So I think that's why it's taking him longer. That's ash, right? That's the ash one? Yep. So yeah, so I don't know if you heard me before, but that's why it was taking so long to do, because it's so hard.
I actually went to the hardware store this morning to get chains for my little still saws. And while I was there, I mentioned I had an Alaskan Sawmill. I was looking for a saw, and this was the last one that they had. This is actually a knockoff of an 066 still, so it's a big horsepower saw. And as you can see, it made short work of an 8-foot long, 14-inch wide ash slab, 2 inches thick. So I got one more to
2
cut.
inches thick.
Yeah.
Is that?
And there's one on the back of the four-wheeler over there. I got one more to cut, and then that'll be it for this log.
And is this the wood you're planning on using for my raised beds?
Yeah.
Is ash good for it?
I don't know, but I can't use it to build anything else, so.
All right.
And I got plenty of logs.
That's the other one over there. So, fun new toys on the farm, or on the homestead. So, thanks for watching a Growing Home Acres video. Please come back and watch more. Thanks.